What's up, buddy? Talk to me. What is it? What is it? Spell it. C-A-R-S? Cars? We're filming cars? Yo! I got a new car! Yeah, right. So today I have a small gig for one of my favorite local clients. You may know that about 6 months ago I made 4 brand videos for this client for 4 different cars. A Volkswagen, a Seat, an Audi and a Skoda. Today we got a BMW and it's a very specific gig. We're taking some pictures only for a website. So it's not your usual, photo shoot of a car because we gotta think with the website in mind. So what exactly do I want to do? Even though maybe 3 to 5 pictures of today will actually end up on the website, I want to take a lot of backup options to maybe get creative in editing. You know, some of them will be cropped, maybe it's gonna be in the header, maybe it's gonna end up as a square. I don't know yet. What I do know is we gotta think with the website in mind. So of course what I want to do is take a lot of wide shots, both from the front and from the back. But also I need to take some close-ups. This is a BMW M5. Okay, we came in the car because it's way too hot outside. One last thing I wanted to share with you is that I'm actually going to take pictures with the GH5. Right now I'm recording with the Sony A7Slll, but you may know this is more of a video camera. This actually has more megapixels and it has an amazing feature that I love. It takes 6K photos. Well, not really. It actually takes 3 to 5 second videos and then it asks you which frame do you want out of it. And I think that's an amazing feature. I've used it before in my shoots and that's what I'm gonna do today. This 6K feature is obviously nice when you want to print the photos. But in this case, I want to have the flexibility to crop in post and not lose the sharpness of the photo. Okay, enough talking. Let's go. I'll be honest with you, I am super satisfied with how the photos turn out. I'm sure future Alex will make the final touches. But to be honest, when you have such a nice subject for the photos, the weather is amazing. How can you not make good photos? I was taking some nice B-roll for you guys, some nice shots of the car, and I realized I wanted to share something with you. Check this out. This old gimbal, the DJI Ronin S. This is an old gimbal. It's still perfect for what I need. So my message is, stop buying the latest gimbals just because all the YouTubers advertise them. And I also encourage buying second-hand things, especially from people like me that use this kind of gear all the time because we take care of them. We want our gear to last as much as possible. Over 600 horsepower. That was the most insane car I've ever driven. Probably one of the most expensive also. This is why I love working with this client. Besides the cool projects I do, I get to drive these insane cars. Also, we got another one. Okay, so the drill with the Volvo is pretty much the same. I'm keeping the website in mind and I'm taking pretty much the same shots and the same angles. I'm not the one building the website, but I am working with the person that does, so I do know more or less what he needs. It's funny because on the way back when I left the BMW to pick up this one, People were looking at me in traffic like, how come this guy can afford this M5, man? I wonder what he does for a living. If anyone asks, I'm a YouTuber. I wanted to change the scenery a bit, so I came here in the middle of nowhere. But to be honest, I knew the spot, so I came straight here. And actually, this road I'm on right now, this is actually a private road. Just behind me, it's like a huge farm. I drove all the way there and talked to the owner, and I asked permission to do this because I didn't want any trouble. And the guy was just, yeah, sure. I love Denmark. If I was like a huge channel, I probably would have kept this a secret, or more like a surprise to just tell you later. But there's at least 2 other cool projects coming up with this same client. And one of those projects is bigger than the other. For the first time, I'm gonna make my own cinema commercial. Well, not my own, it's for the client, but it's gonna be a cool cinematic 15 seconds commercial with several cars involved, probably 4 or 5 different brands. So I'm really pumped for that. And if you're curious and you want to follow along, subscribe to the channel and like this video. You'll get notified for sure when well, not for sure, YouTube is a bit meh. Hit the bell, maybe that helps. So yeah, just a little short video today. I just wanted to bring you over for this small project I had. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And I'll see you next week. Too tight. What's up, buddy? Talk to me. What's up, buddy? Talk to me. What? We're filming cars? What's up, buddy? Talk to me. What? Who? Talk to me. What's up, buddy? Talk to me. What's up, buddy? What is it? Spell it. What's up, buddy? Talk to me.